So this is the next demo, and on surface it may look very similar to the first one. There was a specific reason why we are highlighting it, to really demonstrate the flexibility available through the Bedrock framework uh, to create AI applications, which is really rightly tuned and suited for that specific purpose. So in this case, we have built an example of a chatbot. Again, this one we are calling it AI Navigator. We built this example for the website of Breast Cancer Research Foundation. They are not a customer of ours. We're just using them as an example to demonstrate the capabilities. Capabilities in terms of both the the training on specific content, on personalizing or customizing the style to match the style of the website where the navigator or the chatbot interface is going to reside, and most importantly, the persona of the chatbot to meet the specific business purpose. So in this case, the idea for this chatbot, and then again, this is something that we have created this as an example, but the idea for this one is that a user visiting, they're doing more of exploration. They're not talking to a physician. They're not going to get a specific direct answer because they're not reviewing their questions with their physician. They are exploring and learning. So for that reason, uh, we are providing shorter responses, but we have also reduced the temperature to allow for more potential matches, to allow users to ask questions a little more generically that can match maybe multiple answers. This the end result of that is it's purpose built to not necessarily be predictive and deterministic, and different tweaking of the questions would produce different answer. But that is the idea, because there's a lot of research out there, a lot of information out there. Different people are looking for different information, and that's what this chatbot's designed for. So I'm going to take that back over demo of this particular chatbot. Right. So just a quick point out the styling of the uh, of the applet or the application, chat application, right? It matches the style of the website where it's residing. So that's just showing the capability over there. And now we're going to interact with this here. Uh, right, you see there are multiple matches here, right? That's the idea, as opposed to the last one, it was mapping to a specific answer to a specific question, right? Let's see. Now let me ask a follow-up to this one here, right? So you can see here how it is deriving the information, extracting the information from the available content and data, and it's personalizing the response to a specific query. And the user can engage with them on a back and forth dialogue, right? So we can continue, but you get the gist. I don't need to ask more questions here.
And if anybody has anything that they want to specifically ask.
I do.
Yeah.
Which county in the United States has the highest occurrence of breast cancer?
That's an interesting question. I don't
Actually,
know if
site
the
has the
data,
data or
but
your
yeah.
previous one too. I know the answer to this.
All right, let's see.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. I'm happy.
More nuanced answers?
Yes, I'm happy. On the Northeast, it's actually Nassau County.
Okay.
Nassau County has the highest rate of breast cancer.
Wow.
Yeah.
But it's interesting that it added nuances of how the answer varies by race, right?
Yeah, because your previous question was.
Right. Well, maybe.
Yeah,
Maybe,
because
yeah.
previous
Maybe it's because previous question I exposed my my profile.
Yeah, good.
Yep.
How about you? Would you like to try out anything on?
I have a question related to it.
Oh, sure.
So this was obviously trained on, say, internal data, right?
This one is trained on publicly available
Yeah.
data.
Oh, publicly available.
This is trained on publicly,
So
not on internal.
If it was publicly available data, so on the web, why wouldn't it be able to answer his question more specifically?
Oh, on.
I said Northeast, right? I didn't say entire United States.
Oh,
so
fair.
my
But wouldn't it be able to answer the Nassau County?
It gave me a very general answer because I guess of the temperature and the other settings.
That's the setting.
I see.
Right.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
But
so temperature and the probability settings are the things that you tweak.
Okay.
To steer towards narrower, more specific versus broader.
So this is what I was actually measuring.
Perfect.
Like
okay.
At that setting, is it going to give
Is it
me
going to
like
be
hone
specific?
down on the
Gotcha.
Right?
So
that makes sense.
Yeah, it's specifically something I know about.
Right.